This is the operator training for the Berkel 330M Flywheel Slicer. This training is to be used in conjunction with the manual to ensure the proper safety guidelines are understood and used by the operator. The Berkel 330M Flywheel Slicer is used for manual slicing of cold cuts, boneless meat, breads, and cheeses in a restaurant, delicatessen, or grocery setting. Warning: rotating sharp blade. Use extreme caution and proper safety equipment when using and cleaning. The slicer includes a base that holds a vertically mounted blade and a carriage, which holds the sliding overplate. The sliding overplate includes a base plate and a food press, which keeps the product in place during operation. The flywheel turns to move the carriage and the blade, which provides the slicing action. The regulation knob adjusts for the thickness of your product slice. The overplate advance handwheel, located on the carriage, allows the overplate to be moved toward or away from the blade during operation. Use the flywheel to bring the carriage all the way forward toward the operator. Pull the sliding overplate away from the blade using the overplate advance handwheel. Place the food product on the sliding overplate. Secure and regulate the height with the food press. Change the slice thickness by adjusting the graduated handwheel knob between 0 and 16 on the Model 300M or 0 and 11 on Model 330M. Move the sliding overplate toward the blade by using the overplate advance handwheel. Slice the product by turning the flywheel clockwise only. Turning the flywheel counterclockwise can damage the machine. One complete turn will create one slice and return the carriage to reset for the next slice. The slice deflector will guide the sliced product onto the food plate below. During the return movement of the carriage, the overplate automatically advances with the product toward the blade at the selected thickness. The product may need to be moved when the overplate hits its stop. When slicing is complete, move the overplate away from the blade before removing any remaining product. The Berkel 330M Flywheel Slicer must be cleaned at least once a day, or more often as necessary. Do not clean with jets of water or steam. Take extreme caution of the sharp blade and use protective gloves when working directly with the blade. Open the slice deflector and remove the container. Loosen the knob on the sliding overplate and food press arm and lift to remove. Carefully remove the blade cover. Lift the sharpener using the knob on top. Clean all disassembled parts and the machine body with hot water and a biodegradable foam detergent for dishes at a temperature of no lower than 85 degrees, using a soft cloth or nylon brush if necessary. Rinse parts and the machine with hot, clean water and dry with a soft cloth before reassembly. Some maintenance must be completed by the manufacturer, including replacing the blade, the sharpener grindstones, or the chain, as well as repairing any structural parts or repairing and replacing any components under the base. Other maintenance must be completed by the operator on a regular basis. Lubrication of the carriage and overplate should occur after daily cleaning by adding a few drops of oil into the hole on the overplate and onto the sliding bar of the carriage. Turn the flywheel to disperse oil. If you hear a clicking noise from under the machine, the chain tension will need to be adjusted. Check your manual for more information. Adjustments in the flywheel action can be achieved with the bevel gear located under the carriage near the back of the machine. Consult your manual for further information. Blade sharpening will be necessary periodically, depending on the machine usage or when a reduction in cutting capacity is noticed. Take extreme caution of the sharp blade and use protective gloves when working directly with the blade. To sharpen the blade, remove the slice deflector. Clean the blade with denatured alcohol or hot water. Use the knob of the sharpener to lift and then turn the sharpener 180 degrees. Start the blade by turning the flywheel. Move the lever to the sharpen position for 5 to 10 seconds. Then move to the deburr position for 2 to 3 seconds. Finally, move the lever back to 0 and stop the blade. Replace the sharpener to the original position and close the cover. Clean the blade to prepare for the next use before returning the slice deflector.